Welcome, my dear friend. Take a moment just for you. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and let's begin this journey together as we connect with the boundless love that the universe offers you. In this moment, feel your body relax, your breath steady. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. With every breath, allow your body to sink further into peace, releasing the tension of yesterday and letting go of the worries of tomorrow. Imagine now you are at the edge of a radiant, infinite ocean of light, a warm, embracing glow, stretching beyond the horizons. This light is the love of the universe. It is safe. It is infinite. It is yours. Visualize it cascading down like a gentle waterfall of crystalline light pouring into the crown of your head, flowing through every inch of you, washing away doubt, fear, and self-judgment. Can you feel it? This love from the universe has always been there, like a soft whisper, guiding and supporting you. Maybe you have felt its gentle nudge when you needed hope, or its warm embrace when life seemed overwhelming. Recognize this love now. It sees you just as you are and says you are enough. Notice how this thought fills your heart with a sense of worthiness and ease. As this light expands in and around you, envision it gently lifting away anything weighing on your spirit. Imagine it peeling back self-criticism, judgment, doubt, layer by layer, until all that's left is you. Just you, free, whole, and loved. Move deeper into this awareness. Each breath brings you closer to understanding just how deeply the universe supports your dreams, your growth, and your freedom. With every breath, repeat silently to yourself, I am worthy of love. I trust the universe's support. I embrace my own growth with an open heart. The light surrounding you begins to pulsate with warmth, filling you with gratitude. You see yourself standing in an abundant field, a place where the gifts of love and support from the universe are forever flowing. Visualize yourself reaching out. Feel how naturally you receive these gifts: hope, self trust, freedom, joy. Thank the universe for its love. Feel that gratitude deep in your heart, letting it grow. Let it shine from you to the world around you. Now let's take a step further. Visualize someone you love, or perhaps someone who you sense needs love. Picture them warm. You are immersed in extending gently from you, wrapping them in that same universal light. It flows freely without limit. And as you share it, notice the love doesn't diminish, it multiplies. Finally, imagine this light radiating far beyond, touching everyone, everything, everywhere. Feel your deep connection to this loving universe and its infinite possibilities for growth, peace, and joy. You are part of this magnificent expanse. The universe loves through you and with you. Take a few final breaths in this space. Feel calm, the safety, and the powerful love that surrounds you. When you are ready, let this awareness stay with you as you open your eyes and return to the present moment. But carry this connection all day. Remember, my friend, whenever the doubts creep in or the peace of life feels overwhelming, come back to this space. Reconnect to this boundless love that is always here, holding you. You are worthy, loved, and supported in every step of your journey. If you would like to deepen your practice, join me in the next meditation. Deep Inner Peace, a 10-minute guided meditation, where we will explore the stillness within, creating space for clarity and harmony in your life. The link is right here, waiting for you. Until then, take gentle care of yourself. I'll see you very soon. Let me know if you need any additional tweaks or further personalization.